Hello students, in this video you will find IUPAC nomenclature of alkane which are complex or which have more number of substituents or branches or side chains. I am going to tell you lowest sum rule and first point of difference rule. First point of difference rule is very important rule. It will help you even in competition exams also. Class 11, 12 and competition exams also. Now, first point, what is lowest sum of locant rule? Locant actually those numbers which indicate the position of side chain or branch present in the longest chain, that position numbers are called locants. Now, first point, lowest sum of locant rule or lowest sum rule. If two or more branches are present in the longest chain selected as parent chain, then the parent chain or longest chain is numbered in such a way that the sum of locants is lowest or minimum. Another point, sum of locant rule and first point of difference rule give the same name to the alkane. However, the differences are observed only in the name, in case of the names of complex alkane or alkane having more number of branches. Second point, we must use first point of difference rule even if it violates the lowest sum rule. Third point, what is first point of difference rule? That is third point I am going to tell you. These 3 points, remember, 3-4 points, then I am going to give some examples. Then third point, if two or more branches or side chains are present in the longest chain selected as parent chain, then the longest chain is numbered, or the numbering of the longest chain is on the basis of first point of difference rule. What is this? When two or more set of locants containing same number of terms are possible, then select that set of locant or choose that names or select that set of locants which gives the lower number in the first point of difference. This is called first point of difference rule. Or we can say, in other words, if in the longest chain selected as parent chain, branching occurs at equal distance from either end of the parent chain or longest chain, then select or choose that set of locant, that name, which gives the lower number to the first point of difference. Now, I am going to give some examples so that this concept you can understand. First, here in this case of naming that alkanes CH3, CH2, here I am writing branches, 2 branches are there, CH3, C, C2H5, CH2, CH3. 2 times I am writing CH3, CH2, CH3, double branches, same compound I am writing. CH, C2H5, CH2 CH3. Same compound I have written 2 times. Now for this we have to, first case I am seeing this one. I am numbering this chain from this side. Direction of numbering is this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total number of carbon is 6 there. Total number of carbon is 6. Now from this side when numbered, the number of carbon is 6. Branch is on the 3rd carbon and on the 4th carbon. Then here in this case I am now showing set of locant. Set of locants. Here 3rd 3, 2 times there, 3 plus 3 plus 1 branch is there plus 4. Now this is the set of locant, first set of locant. Now sum of the locant. Sum of locants equal to 3 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 10. When it is numbered from this side. Now next point is, if it is numbered from this side, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Numbering from this side. Just to make it very clear, I am writing it slight away from that. Yes. Then in this numbering from this side, then set of locant. Set of locants here. First branch start at 3rd number, then 4 is there. After that again 4 is there. This 3 plus 4 plus 4. Now sum of locant. Sum of locants there, 3 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 11. Then according to lowest sum of locant rule, this direction is correct because this number is lower than this. This is why this direction is correct and this direction is correct. Now the name of the compound is, this is the correct one because correct direction, and name of the compound is 4-ethyl 3,3-dimethyl dimethyl. After that 6 carbon is there, then hexane. Now this is the name of this 4-ethyl 3,3 alphabetical order I have used here. Hexane. This is the lowest sum of locant rule. Now let us see first point of difference rule in this example. First point of difference rule. Here in this set of locant, here first is this one 3, here is also 3. Now here second number is 3, here second number is 4. Then I told you, if here two set of locants are there having same number of terms, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 branches in this, 3 branches in this, having same number of term, then select that locant which has lower number in the first point of difference. We are moving from this side, then here it is tying. First difference is here coming. First difference is coming, and in this first difference, this is the lower number. This is why this is correct numbering. This direction is correct and this name is also correct. First point, here we are moving from this side, here it is tying same number on the first position number. Second position number, you see here first difference start from here. This first difference start from here, from second position number, first difference start. Here is 3, here is 4. Because 3 is smaller than 4 in the first difference. This is why this is correct. And this rule is called first point of difference rule. Now, one more example I am going to tell you, where lowest in this rule, in these compounds, or in this one compound, you can say two same compounds I have written, then in this compound, lowest sum of locant rule and first point of difference rule, both are obeyed. Both are giving same name to the alkane. Now, next point is here, I am taking slide bigger of that one. 1 CS3 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 CS3, one compound. One more, same thing I am writing again, CS3 CH3 and same compound writing so that easily you can understand. That one. Now, let us start naming these compounds, these alkanes. Let us start naming. Whenever we will name this compound, then we have to keep in mind that according to sum of locant rule, what is coming there, and according to first point of difference, what is coming. First, let us start numbering from this side. From this side, 1 2 3 4 4 5 6 7 8. And let us start numbering from this side here. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now in this case, what is the set of locant? Then set of locant, set of locants, first branch is here, second one, and third branch is here, 2 branches, and then 4 5 6 7 also 2 branches. Now sum of locant, sum of locants equal to 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 7 plus 7, like that. 22 is coming. Now, in this case, here the sum of locant is 22. Now, next point which I am going to check in this case, we start numbering from this side. Then 1 2, then set of locant, set of locant first on the second carbon, one branch, again another branch. Then on the sixth carbon, two branches, and same branch, same alkyl group. Then on the seventh also, same another branch is present. Then what is the sum of locants? First set of locant, second set of locant, two set is there. Then what is coming sum here? 23. 23 is coming. According to sum of locant rule, this is smaller than this is lower than this. This is why according to sum of locant, this one is correct. But according to the first point of difference rule, start from this direction. Here first is 2 and here also first is 2. Then now here first is 2. This is total is sum of locant is coming here 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 7 plus 7. It is coming 22, just now I told 22. And here it is coming 2 plus 2 plus 6 plus 6 plus 7, 23 is coming. Then according to sum of locant rule, this one is smaller than this. Hence, this direction is correct according to sum of locant rule. But according to first point of difference rule, here this is time. Start comparing here these sets. 2 is here, 2 is also here. In this direction it was second. From this direction also it is second only. Then it is time. No difference. Again one step ahead, let us see second step. Here it is 3. Here it is 2. Then first difference start from the second position number. From second position number, from here first difference start. Here in the first difference, in the first point of difference, 2 is smaller than 3. This is why according to first point of difference, this direction is correct. Then I have told you, we must follow the first point of difference even if it violates the lowest sum of locant rule. This rule must be obeyed, must be followed. Now here, the name of the compound, this direction is correct. This direction is correct one according to first point of difference. And the name of the compound is here 22667. 22667 pentamethyl octane. Pentamethyl octane is the correct name of compound. 22667 pentamethyl octane is the correct name of the compound. This rule is called first point of difference rule. That's all about the first point of difference rule. Thank you.